Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. My family and I were shopping for the perfect chair to add to our living room to give us a little more space as our family gets bigger, and we found the perfect chair for our living room in this beautiful Chaise lounge chair from Hdxdkog. This chair is fluffy, soft, comfortable, and durable, all of the things that we were looking for. I personally love that it gives such a classy look to my living room and offers the durability that will last for years despite being put in a house with kids and pets. This is my favorite place to read and relax or watch TV because I can sit in it cross-legged or lounge back with my feet on the ottoman, and sometimes I even fall asleep in it. This is the go-to spot for my family when we watch movies. There's definitely some whining and complaining over who gets to sit in the chair, and I will admit that most of that comes from me when my kids get there first. Everything comes very nicely packaged with no holes or scuffs in the fabric. The directions were easy to read and follow, and we had this chair together and ready to use in about 30 minutes. This company offers several different styles and colors, and if my room would fit it, I would definitely buy more. So if you're ready to class up your living room, bedroom, or office, then I highly recommend this oversized lounge chair from Hdxdkog. And that's my point of view.